What is bank reconciliation? Bank reconciliation is where you compare your own financial records with your bank statements. So here's what you actually need to do. You need to keep a ledger. This should be handed over from the previous treasurer. Your ledger records all of your club's money in and out. A ledger includes all the information on your bank statements, but also cash amounts, checks, or money owed that aren't recorded in the bank account. Your ledger might be recorded in a spreadsheet, like the cash book, or your club might use an app, which can make life a lot easier to manage. So why do you need to keep this ledger? Well, there's a few reasons. Firstly, transparency about where club money is spent, as the money belongs to the entire membership. 2, it's important to know where your income came from for tax reasons. 3, not all information is going to be on your bank statement, like any cash you haven't deposited yet or unpaid bills. 4, it helps your team spot any suspicious transactions or fraud early on. Now we're going to take you through some steps to reconcile your bank account. Step 1, pull up your banking ledger. Your ledger might be in a spreadsheet, or you might be using a financial management app where you can download a report. Step 2, grab your bank statements or transaction history. Step 3, starting from the same date, check that all the income amounts on the bank statement match the records in your ledger. It's a cross-reference. So if you had $58 of membership fees on your ledger, then there should be a deposit of $58 on your bank statement to match. Then you do all the same thing for your expenses. If something doesn't add up, highlight any amounts that are missing or don't match. You can come back to those later. Step 6, you'll need to investigate why the amounts don't match. It could be money owed to you, cash sitting in a box, an unpaid invoice, or an unpaid reimbursement. This part can be difficult, and you may need to reach out to other executives for assistance. Failing that, you can always contact the USU Club's office for help or advice. Once you've worked that all out, congratulations, you've reconciled your bank account. Remember, never use your cash from a cash box to pay any expenses or to pay somebody back. If you do, it will make this so difficult, as cash is very hard to trace. There are lots of online resources to assist you with bank reconciliation, and if you're using an app, there's probably educational tools there to help you as well. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact the USU Club's office.